Bitcoin is probably a good thing.
Headlines have been buzzing of how Elon Musk, the world's richest man, wants to be paid in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has become one of the most exciting and potentially lucrative investments of 2020, regardless of the downfalls projected. It seems that we all should have listened to alternative media regarding the inevitable rise of Bitcoin. And now, Elon Musk indicates his intentions to heavily invest. So, thumbs up on this video, subscribe with us, and bank on that notification bell as we bring you the scoop. The influencer. If you ever had the opportunity to pick the brain of anyone in the world, you'll put Elon Musk on your list. He is a living legend of geniuses. If he were a cartoon character, he'd probably be a genie because he can make dreams a reality. He's been the spearhead of engineering technology for the future of our world.
Money is just a number in a database. That's what it is. And it's primarily an information mechanism for labor allocation.
Digital currency. Money is the blood of society, and Musk was instrumental in bringing digital payment company PayPal to the world. It was established in 1999 as the money transfer service for security software manufacturer Confinity, which was launched the year prior. Then, in March of 2000, Confinity merged with X.com, an online banking company founded by Musk, who saw the potential for PayPal to elevate its market share. With his genius and determination, he convinced the merged entity to focus strictly on bringing PayPal to the forefront of modern banking. He kept 11.7% ownership of PayPal's shares and ushered in the company to the world stage in 2002. With this banking system in place, the online auction giant eBay purchased PayPal for $1.5 billion. So, with this astonishing accomplishment, your ears better peak when Elon Musk, the billionaire founder of Tesla and SpaceX, who has just become the world's richest man, has said he would never turn down being paid in the soaring cryptocurrency Bitcoin. SpaceX. As a visionary of the future, spaceflight comes with that territory. So in May 2002, Musk used his PayPal proceeds to launch space exploration technologies, normally referred to by its shortened name, SpaceX. It focuses on manufacturing space launch vehicles in an effort to advance rocket technology sciences in the ultimate goal of providing easy and affordable spaceflight for normal transportation, and eventually provide the same services for travelers to Mars.
You're 47. What is the likelihood that you personally will go to Mars?
70%. We've recently made a number of breakthroughs that I'm just really fired up about.
Of course, many people initially dismissed SpaceX as a mere novelty because spaceflight historically fell under governmental purview. But Musk proved his doubters wrong when his Falcon 1 spacecraft became the first privately funded, liquid-fueled vehicle to send a satellite into Earth's orbit. And in 2006, NASA actually commissioned SpaceX to continue developing its Falcon 9 and Dragon vehicles for transporting supplies to the International Space Station. Ultimately, these spacecrafts replaced some of NASA's spacecrafts in 2011. By 2012, the Dragon made history as the first commercially manufactured vehicle to dock with the International Space Station. And the most incredible goal of this visionary is that Musk's ambitions transcend space cargo runs to the International Space Station. He harbors hopes of sending humans to the surface of Mars within the next decade. Tesla. When you ask most people how they heard of Elon Musk, it was through Tesla. As the current CEO of Tesla, he was initially involved with the company as a financier, seeding it with 98% of its launch funds in 2003. Tesla's chief mandate was to economically produce highly efficient battery-powered electric cars, with long-lasting batteries and all the modern capabilities necessary to fulfill today's transportation demands. The business model entailed initially targeting affluent buyers, and then subsequently rolling out lower-cost cars that were affordable to mass-market consumers. In 2004, Musk began taking on a more active operational role in Tesla, helping engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning sharpen the design of the company's first electric car, the Tesla Roadster. But when Eberhard was ousted in 2007, Following a series of disagreements, Musk seized management control as CEO. Today, Tesla offers Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y cars, and is currently ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in car maker. And Tesla is going beyond expectations with the rollout of their Tesla semi-truck and Cybertruck. Solar technology. In addition to producing the best batteries and electric vehicles, Tesla maintains a robust presence in the solar energy field as they have acquired a San Mateo, California-based Solar City Corporation. It was founded in 2006 and is designed to be a clean energy services company. It has already been able to produce 2 sleek-looking, highly efficient rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, mainly used for stationary energy storage purposes. The smaller Powerwall was developed for home backup power and off-the-grid use, while the larger Power Pack is intended for commercial or electric utility grid use. Households with adequate space for solar panels that don't overconsume electricity can rely on this solar technology to reduce dependency on power grid-generated electricity and ultimately reduce their carbon footprints. It already seems that Elon Musk is somewhat following in the steps of the selfless genius Nikola Tesla. So the prominent factor is that Elon Musk's entrepreneurial endeavors are varied and forward-thinking for the benefit of mankind. Whether it's digital payment technology, space travel, electric cars, or solar-powered advancements, Musk's innovation profoundly impacts our daily lives. Therefore, when he's strongly engaging in hundreds of millions of dollars in deals, it would be very wise to pay attention and take notes. Follow the trends.
Paper money is going away.
Yes.
And crypto is a far better way to transfer value than pieces of paper. That's for sure.
Without a doubt.
Musk and Bitcoin. In case you didn't know, Musk, who's ridden Tesla's soaring share price to the top of the world's rich lists over the last year, is known to be a fan of Bitcoin. He has regularly been tweeting about it and other cryptocurrencies, even if it was in a tongue-in-cheek sort of manner. He has given it much thought, apparently. Recently, he responded to a tweet by Ben Metzrich, the author behind the movie The Social Network and writer of Bitcoin Billionaires, that read, "I'm never turning down getting paid in Bitcoin again." Musk swiftly replied, "Me neither." If we consider Elon Musk's earliest mentions of Bitcoin, they have been either comical or indeterminate at best. However, the most recent meme from the tech visionary has sparked an interesting discussion about Bitcoin's liquidity and eyebrow-raising roles in the future of banking. MicroStrategy Inc. made an iconic transformation just recently. The business intelligence firm invested in Bitcoin and converted its entire cash balance of about $500 million into the leading cryptocurrency. The move helped MSTRs rise 113% year-to-date, 4 times more than the average gains on the NASDAQ index for tech stocks.
So where I see crypto as effectively as a replacement for cash.
So, with Tesla shares currently trading near its all-time high values with a total market capitalization of over $650 billion, the MicroStrategy's strategy seems to be in the best interest for Tesla and people who follow financial trends worldwide. Therefore, the genius visionary Musk has begged the question if Bitcoin can handle 10 times the cash balance of MicroStrategy. And this honey is attracting more bees. Leading cryptocurrency exchanges and asset managers jumped onto the opportunity already. The buzz is on as the CEO of Binance, FTX, and Gemini Exchange's Tyler Winklevoss all vouched for Bitcoin's liquidity. Plus, the chief strategy officer of the British digital asset management firm CoinShares also noted that it could support any position size Tesla intends to allocate. Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder and CEO of FTX, elaborated, "Ours or other major OTC desks would be happy to help execute. The basic answer is it'll have some impact, but with 25G trades every day, you can get it off over the course of a week or so if you want."
It's interesting. I have some friends of mine that are kind of really involved in crypto. I mean, I think like the Bitcoin structure was quite brilliant. Yeah, it seems like there's some merit to Ethereum as well.
Bitcoin's projections. As the Bitcoin buzz continues, many other public companies and some of the world's largest hedge funds have already entered the Bitcoin market, and regardless if Tesla joins the honeypot or not, numerous other firms are set to adopt MicroStrategy's strategy to hedge against the downtrend in the US dollar. Bitcoin is changing hands at $22,750, up 220% for the beginning of the year. With the Bitcoin price reaching never-before-seen highs over the last month, Bitcoin and similar digital currencies have returned to the forefront of global consciousness for the first time since Bitcoin's 2017 boom and subsequent bust. And in case you didn't know, the value of the combined Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market has now surged to over $1 trillion. The Bitcoin price smashed through $40,000 per Bitcoin this week, with the total value of the world's biggest cryptocurrency passing $750 billion and pushing Bitcoin up the charts of largest global assets. The Bitcoin price, after suffering through a 3-year bear market, began to rally in October, breaking into fresh territory last month as a wave of big-name investors named Bitcoin as a potential hedge against inflation. In a series of tweets, Saylor, chief executive of MicroStrategy Inc., encouraged the billionaire visionary Musk to shift US dollars from the electric car maker to Bitcoin and do your shareholders a $100 billion favor. He then added, other firms on the S&P 500 would follow your lead, and in time, it would grow to be a $1 trillion favor. Have you invested in Bitcoin or Tesla? Do you intend to purchase some Bitcoins? Give us your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button, share this video, and of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.